20 constituencies in Jharkhand spread across 7 Maoist-hit tribal districts also go to polls today in the second phase. Campaigning in the run-up to the phase saw rallies by Prime Minister Modi and Congress bigwigs Sonia and Rahul Gandhi. Among those whose electoral fate will be decided in this phase are former Chief Ministers Arjun Munda and Madhu Koda, along with 3 ministers who are among the 223 candidates contesting polls. Let's get a word from our correspondent Rohit Singh, who's with us live from Jamshedpur this morning. Rohit, some big names contesting elections today. What's the kind of voter turnout that you're seeing?
Simi, as far as big names are concerned, obviously former Chief Minister Arjun Munda is one of them, and Raghuvar Das of BJP. He's the National Vice President of BJP. He is also contesting from Jamshedpur. So they are the 2 big names, and mind you, both of them are unofficially contenders for the Chief Minister post if BJP comes to power, if BJP achieves its target of 42 plus. And right now we are at a booth here. Raghuvar Das will be coming in a short while from now to cast his vote, and we are seeing since morning several people have lined up and they are exercising their votes, and obviously there is enthusiasm in the people. Early morning they have come out and they are taking part in this democratic exercise, and obviously stakes are high for BJP because out of the 20 seats where elections are taking place today, where voting is taking place today, 8 of those seats are held by BJP at the moment, and obviously I have told you BJP would be likely want to increase that tally if it wants to achieve its target of Mission 42 and if it wants to form a government in the state.
Absolutely, Rohit. Thanks so much for that update. The BJP looking at improving its tally. It currently holds 8 of the 20 seats that are going to polls today.